Hi. I'll be real with y'all. I just bought a new microscope and I'm so excited. I'm just so fired up for this thing. I wanted to share it with you guys. You know, most people on YouTube, they unbox expensive electronics, perhaps a little backpack with Supreme on it, a Supreme backpack, you know? But I'm gonna unbox a microscope. Ah! Yes! This is so cool! Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh! Okay. This is where everything gets interesting. We have a microscope, we have a camera, and we have an adapter to allow this camera to film stuff under this microscope. I'm 50% sure that this setup is gonna work. That's not a lot of confidence. Step one, we gotta figure out if the microscope works. I'm seeing something. Yes. Step one, check. The microscope works. Now let's see if this adapter can fit on this gosh darn camera. Oh, it works. I was very uncertain about that. Okay, last step, baby. Now we gotta see if the camera can pick up an image from the microscope. Concerning, I don't see it. Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! Oh my god. Oh, come on, let's get this. Come on, let's get this. Let's get this, boy. Let's get this. Oh, come on. Whoa. I'm shaking. I'm so excited about the potential of this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh! Look at this! It works so well! Ah! Oh my god, I'm so fired up right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have a new toy on our hands. This is a very expensive purchase, and the only way I could have possibly spent this much money on something like that is because of people who supported me on Patreon. I've had a Patreon for about, I think like 2 years now. It's a way where people can kind of donate regularly to the channel and kind of help support me. We don't have a ton of subscribers right now, so I'm not making a ton of money off the channel, but I love doing it. So everybody who's kind of donated to my Patreon, thank you guys so much. This could not have happened without you. If you're interested in checking out my Patreon, the link's in the comment section and in the description below. But dude, here's where we stand. We have a microscope. Here's a question for you guys. What should I look at next? Do you wanna look at flowers? Do you wanna look at grass? Do you wanna try to catch a toad and look at the toad under the microscope? What do you guys wanna do? Let me know in the comment section. I'll choose a couple of them and try to make a video out of it. So the next microscope video is gonna be completely built out of your suggestions. So whatever you guys want is what I'll check out with this. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. Last thing, for anybody who's wondering about the ant colony, last week I asked you guys if I should purchase a queen or try to spend time catching one. A lot of you guys in the comments really wanted me to try to catch one, so I'm gonna start that process this week. That's what we're gonna do. Catching the queen, guys, to start our ant colony. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a blast. I just wanna spend all day messing around with this microscope because it's so fun. We got a microscope, guys. Get pumped. Quick shout out to everybody saying hello in the comment section on YouTube. Shout out to Addison, Alexander, Alawi, Amir and Amira, Ashley, Asia, Aspen, Ayud, Bach, Ben, Bethany, Bavik, BM, Bold Hour, Brooke, and Kat Blackett. Karina, Carly, Casey Quinn, Casey Cole, Cassie, Caden, C Noise 314, Cordafi, Crystal, Delphine, Derek, Diana, E Leopard, Elliot, Fantastic Mr. Ollie, and Face the North Star. Felix, Gabriel, Gail, Giovanni, H1M2 Brothers, Haley Hunter, I Can See In You, Ingrid J, Ingrid Ziyang, Isabel, It's Jinx, John Juan, Julia, Kermit, Cooley, Kim, KK, the DJ 2, Landon, Logan, Luke, Luna, Mags, Mark, May, Michelle, Nevea, No Name, Patricia, Patrick, Paul Trout, Panit, RBT, Reagan, Riam, Rocky J, Squirrel 6, Rochambeau 89, Sadie, Shadow, Schaefer, Shivani, Snazzy D, Sneo 103, Sue and Low, Thomas Tyler, and Jan Chic, Kim. And we also had a birthday this week. Happy birthday to Bold Hour. Everybody, let's say happy birthday, Bold Hour. If you guys want a shout out in the next video, just subscribe, ring the bell, and say hello in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, you see glimpses of it. You see glimpses of the flower. Come on.